Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Pro, and I'll show you how to achieve the hard reset using the secret code. So to get started, we'll need to open up Dialer app and follow the code that I put in, which will be now that once I press the start, it will open up the menu which we want. And from here, we're now in the project menu, and we'll need to choose reset factory. So I'm gonna tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once I do, the phone will start removing all personal data and any apps that were installed on it. And will take a minute or two for it to finish. And once it's finished, you'll basically see the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that's visible. And as you can see, now there is an Android setup screen, and for some reason after this method the phone shuts off, so I'm just gonna power it back on. So once you turn it back on, you can go through the setup process to customize your Android experience, and basically the phone is clean. There's nothing on it besides the default apps, and yeah, you can basically, that's how you finish the process. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.